Hey, LiveGood Achievers! In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to register and activate your LiveGood account by either using crypto, credit card, or Visa card after pre-enrolling.
And once it brings you to your browser, make sure that you watch this 5-minute video that is here. Okay, so this gives you a short explanation about what the company is all about. Okay, so
hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Over the past 20 years.
All right, so immediately you are done watching the video, you scroll down a little bit and then you enter your first name. So I'm going to enter my first name, Edna. I'm using my sister's name to do this. Okay, Edna Gina. Okay, then I'll enter her email. Okay, let me use a different email. Okay, then once you are done, you click on reserve my position. Okay, so let me click on that. All right, guys, so immediately you enter your email and then your name. It's going to redirect you to this page. Okay, and it's going to show you that congratulations, you're going to get this information. Okay, so let's say that you just pre-enroll. Okay, you just pre-enroll and that very day you are not ready to register activate your membership. Okay, so you just pre-enroll. Now you're going to see this: congratulations, Edna, your free temporarily enrollee position is in. So this position, you've occupied this position. Okay, and you see that the Thursday is a cutoff date. Okay, so if you want to maintain the people that are going to be in your metrics, okay, if you want to maintain these people, then that is where you lock in your position and activate your account. But let's say that you've not activated your account, you want to get the money maybe the next day to activate yourself. All right, so when you are ready to activate yourself, this is what you're going to do. Now immediately you are done with the registration, LiveGood is going to send you an email. So let's go to my email right now and then show you the email you're going to receive from LiveGood. All right, guys, if at this venture you've not subscribed to the channel and liked the video yet, please be sure to do so. All right, so this is the message I received from LiveGood. Okay, a welcome message, a warmly welcome message from LiveGood saying that welcome to LiveGood. Hello, Edna. Welcome to LiveGood. Congratulations on visiting our website and becoming a pre-enrollee at a tour. As you have probably heard, LiveGood is one of the cutting edge of science and technology with the most advanced nutrition product. Okay, so this message will be sent to your your email. Okay, so let's say that you were not able to activate your account on that particular day. Okay, so let's say that after 3 days or after 4 days you want to activate your account. This is what you're going to do. You're going to come back to the email that you received from LiveGood. Okay, you're going to come back to this email and then you open the email, and then you scroll down, then you click on join now. Okay, you click on join now. Okay, so I'm going to click on join now and then activate myself. So I'm just going to take you through the step by step how to go about in activating yourself. All right, so let's wait for the page to load itself. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys, so immediately you click on that join now in your email that you receive. It's going to bring you here where you're going to enter all the necessary information. So here I have to enter my number, my telephone number here, so 020-6969-729. Okay, then I'll scroll down and then you select a username. Okay, so maybe I'm going to choose Edna. Okay, then you select your password. Okay, so let me pause this video. So you choose a 6-digit password. Okay, then you're going to see an information that you're going to give it to you here that select your membership. So if you want to go for the yearly one, you can select option 2. If you want to save, you see that when you go for the yearly, you're going to save 20%. Or if you decide to go for the monthly one, that is $40 per the 9.95. So that means this is how much you're going to pay to activate your account, which is 49.95. Okay, all right, so let's go, and then you scroll down a little bit. Then this is where you're going to put a little bit information about yourself. Okay, so Ghana, the name, so you put Edna Gina. So that is the name I use in registering, Edna Gina. Okay, then you enter your address. So let me say, please, this is very important. A lot of people make this mistake, and I'm going to clarify this. When you want to receive your payment in your LiveGood account, that is your iPayout, which is the payment method we use, make sure that you put in an address that is on your utility bill or either your bank statement. Okay, put the address that is on your bank statement, the address you use in creating your bank account. That is what the address you should put here. Or you should put the address that is on your utility bill. The utility bill must contain, if you are the one that is paying, and that is if it is your name that is on the utility bill, make sure that you put that address here. Okay, the address line. Okay, then so when you are done with the address, you enter your city, you enter your state, and then you enter your zip code. So if you are in Ghana, just follow these steps. Okay, so I'm going to enter my address, which is Kumasi. I'm just going to enter Kumasi, near Church of Christ. Then I'll scroll down which city. I'm in Kumasi right now that I'm making this video, and which city, okay. So you can just leave this place like that. Okay, I'm just going to put some numbers here, 400, 040. Then the zip code is 00233. Then you select the payment option. The payment option, if you want to pay using credit card, then you can leave it like this, and then you scroll down, you fill in your credit card information here. Okay, all right, then your credit card address you fill in here. Better still, if you want to go with cryptocurrency, that is the easiest way, and that is what I always choose. You can click on it and then change it. So you click on it, you choose through cryptocurrency. You see that all the long informations are gone. Okay, so once you are done like this, you choose crypto as your payment, you click on continue. All right, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, and don't forget to subscribe as well. So we click on continue. Now immediately, okay, so the username that I selected has been taken already. That is this. So let me say Edna Akia. Then I'll just, it's only the username. I'll just click on continue. So once you click on continue, they are going to show you all this information. So if you want to make a change, you can go ahead and then you make the change. Okay, so I'll save it. Okay, so I don't want to make any change here. So you see that totally, this is what you are paying. So one time affiliate member is $40, and then monthly is $9.95. That gives you a total of $49.95, which is given to you here. Okay, so that is how much you're going to pay. You scroll down the payment information, we choose crypto. Then you scroll down a little bit, you look at the information that you've provided, that is your address. Then once you are done, you tick this: I understand I am paying $49.95 today in my choice of cryptocurrency for my order. Then I agree to the policies. Okay, you accept all this, you take all this, then you click on this, you click complete my sign up. You click on this, complete my sign up. All right, so immediately you click on this, no thanks. Immediately you click on this, it's going to display this page to you where it's going to say, please click on the button below to pay $49.95 in cryptocurrency for your order. Okay, so you click on this, pay with crypto. All right, pay with crypto. Then here you select your crypto payment option. We're going to select TRC20, okay, which is Tron. you scroll down and then you select this option. Now, if you don't understand this and you want me to take you through Zoom presentation, you can check the description. I'm going to leave my contact details below. You can contact me. If you have not registered yet, you can also check the description and then register and become an affiliate. Join my team and let's build together. All right. So I'm going to select Tron. So immediately you select it, they're going to give you this information. So it says that you must send this. So this is the amount of money you're going to send. Okay, so in your case, if you are going to send this, you make it 51. Okay, I prefer you make it 51, or you make it 50.49.91, because that is the amount you need to pay. Because when you are paying from Binance is going to take $1. Binance is going to take $1 as gas fee. Okay, so you pay 50, so that 50.95. Okay, it should be 50.95. Pay that amount, 50.95. Okay, so this is the address you copy. This is the address you're going to make the payment to on Binance. Okay, so guys, that is it. You pay this amount, 49.95. As I said, make it 50.95, so that if $1 is deducted, you're going to get 49.95 exactly. Okay, so $1 is the fee, and then the rest is the money that you are sending. So immediately you send, you scroll down and then you click on this. You click on send. Okay, you click on send, which is down below here. You can see it here. You click on send. Okay, or nevertheless, I'm going to take you to Binance right now and show you what you need to do if you are going to send. So this is the address we're going to copy. Okay, I'll just click on copy. Now address has been copied. Now you have to pay this amount within this time frame. Don't let this time finish before you send. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Binance. So here I am in my Binance account. If you want to go ahead and then activate, you click on wallet, withdraw. But before you do that, make sure that you have money. You bought USDT in your Binance account. So you click on wallet. Immediately you click on wallet, you click on spot, then you click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, you select USDT. Okay, you make sure that you have funds, you have balance. Okay, then you click on it, you click on send via crypto, then you paste in the address that you copy, you paste it here, you paste the address here, then you click here to select the network. In this case, we are using TRC20, which is down below here. Okay, you click on it, you click on confirm. Now you enter the amount. So the amount we're going to enter is 50.95. So you see that we are now getting exactly 49.95 here. Then you click on withdraw. Immediately you click on withdraw, you confirm it. So that is how you go about in doing the payment. So once your payment is confirmed from Binance, you go back again, then you click on I have sent it. Okay, so when you come and brings you back again, click on it again, and then you select the crypto. It doesn't matter. It's going to take you to the same thing again. Then you click on I have sent. Okay, you click on I have sent. So once it's completed, you go back and then within some few minutes, your account is going to be activated. Then you can go ahead. Then you click on log in. Okay, so once the activation is done, you enter your username, you enter the password you generated, and then you click on log in. Okay, you click on login. You click on login, and it's going to bring you to your dashboard like this, where you're going to get your affiliate link. Okay, this is your affiliate link that you can also share with your friends and family to register and then become part of your team as well. Guys, remember, with LiveGood, you can make up to $2,000 without even enrolling a single person in the business. If join us and then we make money together. This is your affiliate, that is your shop link. If somebody wants to buy a product from LiveGood, you can send them this link. You can send it to them, then they can order the product themselves. All right. So guys, that is how you go about in registering and activating your LiveGood account. Thank you for watching this video.